Welcome to Hornbill 2023. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome.
Hornbill is a festival in Nagaland that showcases the incredible culture that this state is so famous for. It's an event of unity and peace between the 17 tribes that coexist here, and a platform to display their unique and distinct traditions that they've maintained so well. Join me. It's so nice to finally be at Hornbill Festival. Since I first came to Nagaland a year ago, everybody I've met has just said, you've got to go to Hornbill, you've got to go to Hornbill. Everybody's told me this. Finally, I'm here. I've learned so much about this state recently and I've really fallen in love with it. But to be able to come somewhere and learn about all the different tribes, all the different districts, all the different cultures, all bundled into one place is incredible. So let's go and see what this festival has to offer with my best friend Renny. So all over Hornbill, we have these Morungs. Now a Morung was essentially kind of like a school, I think. Brother, could you help me, explain to me what a Morung is? It's like a school, right?
Yeah. It's like actually for boys.
It's for boys?
Yeah.
And what do the boys do at the school, at the Morung?
They used to sleep.
Yeah.
They used to eat.
Yeah.
And they used to drink.
Rice beer. So what's the difference between the Zuto rice beer and the Tutse rice beer? What's the difference?
The Tutse rice beer is more special.
It's more special.
Yeah,
Which one's stronger?
That's Tutse.
The Tutse. Okay, very nice. You want to have a Tutse rice beer, Renny? Or you want to wait a bit? We'll come back. Renny and I have been recognised a lot at Hornbill Festival, but one thing, he keeps getting mistaken for Roving Naga, and everyone keeps walking up to him and going, Roving Naga, and I think we should just stop saying that there.
Yeah. I'm Renny, I think I just say I'm Roving Naga.
It's so funny, because sometimes it's like 5 minutes into the conversation, and he's like, yeah, Roving Naga, and he's like, no, it's not, it's Renny. So funny. So this is the Chakasan tribe, and it's this group of women have just started this beautiful chanting, this beautiful singing, and it's so nice because everywhere you go you'll just find something like this happening, and it's so pure and so beautiful. I think my favourite thing so far about Hornbill is basically like, you see basically a pub or a bar and there's 30 blokes, tribal blokes, dressed up in tribal outfits having a sing-along, and it's my favourite thing ever. Let me get some more rice beer. Can I join you? I can join you? I can join you guys? Yeah.
Order then.
Yeah. Very nice. Can I try? Go. Like this?
I love you all for you beautiful.
Wow. Right, a YouTuber. I was running a YouTuber. Exposed. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hi. So nice to meet you. So nice to meet you. Hi. We're here at the Owl Morung. Renny, what district is the Owl tribe from? They're from? Mokokchung. And what kind of thing are they famous for? The Owl tribe.
Probably the legacy is Anishi. Like if I say it wrong, like I'm so sorry because I'm not from our community.
That's okay. If you say it wrong, all that will happen is that the entire Owl community will just hate you and they will unsubscribe from your channel. So get it right, first time please. Yesterday I received a message from the council here at the Al Morung, and they sent me this beautiful invitation, personalised invitation, to come and visit them here today. So we're here, we're going to learn a little bit about the Al tribe, the Al Morung. We're going to try some of the local food, and we're going to have some of the delicious rice beer, which I'm drinking my own weight. You're a member of the Al tribe, and can you teach us some words, some Al words? So how would I say thank you in Al? Again? Kangabale. Kangabale, sir. Thank you so much. Kangabale. Thank you. Kangabale. So, Kangabale.
Here's water for you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
And then so sorry for it.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have. Thank you. I received an invitation. We received an invitation yesterday from the council here. They said, please come and visit us, and we've just come. We've ordered 2 sticky rice beer and some of local Al dish, which is called chicken amoso. Amosu. But it's spelled amoso, so give me a break. You know what I mean? Amosu. And they gave it to us on the house. They said they don't want us to pay, and that's so nice. It's kind of like squidgy, gloopy kind of thing, but I'm sure it tastes bloody lovely.
Again, it's prepared like Indian style.
Okay.
So it's also very different way, but it's good, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's like imagine like a thick chicken broth. It's good.
That is why we are unique, right?
Renny keeps calling me a drunkard, but because I'm drinking so much rice beer. But I think it's a cultural thing. I think it's a cultural thing that needs to be experienced while you're here. It's very important to do so. So.
If it's like one-time experience, it's a cultural thing. But repeatedly, like he gets drunk every night. That's not
I do not get drunk every night. I'm here in Nagaland. I'm going to drink rice beer because it's a cultural thing, and we have to do it. And it's very important to maintain the culture. I think it's time for some more cultured rice beer, Renny. I think it's time to get stuck into the Lotar culture and start drinking some real rice beer. It seems like every time we get to a new Morung, and there's 17 of them here, every time we get to a new one, I see something I've never seen before, and it's just awesome. Renny, what are they doing?
They're grinding the grains.
Grinding the grains?
Yeah, traditional way.
But they're also singing.
Yes. So this is like how they're showcasing their culture through this song, through like in the early times, like.
So the singing keeps the rhythm.
Yeah, rhythm. Yeah.
Bum, bum, bum.
Choose device is connected successfully.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, Mike.
Hey, how are you boys?
Can we just take
Yes, please. Big fans. Thank you.
I'm a subscriber.
Really? Oh, thank
New
you.
subscriber.
New subscribers. Thanks, man. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, brother.
Hi the mic. Please say hi the mic.
This is your
My wife.
This is your wife.
My wife.
Hi. What's your wife's name?
Mary.
Mary. Hi, Mary. So nice to talk to you. I'm here with your wonderful husband. He's one of the nicest men I've ever met in my life. Trust me, you pulled a real cracker. You couldn't do any better than this guy.
Don't need to marry him.
So nice to talk to you. I'll put you back on.
Don't need to marry him.
I'm enjoying so much. I'm having the best time. Thank you so much.
I guess yes,
Speak to you again. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, brother.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. No.
It's been a dream come true.
Hey, I appreciate that.
It's been a dream come true.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
guys. I had a goal of today of teaching outsiders about the cultural relative
Value.
I had a dream today to teach outsiders about the cultural value of Hornbill Festival. But what's happened, and what's always happens, is me and Renny have just been drinking rice beer all day, so I'm very sorry.
But I'm not the one who will start. Who will take the first drink?
No.
Always took the initiative of drinking the first, and now I'm.
Because you need to have one, you need to come and have one, get a bit of confidence, a bit of camera confidence.
And it becomes overconfident.
So I'm sorry, but I promise in the future I will try my absolute best to convey and to show and portray the real Naga culture.
Yeah.
But it's difficult when there's just so much delicious rice beer around.
This guy is fake.
After